Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today it's all a video about calligraphy stroke. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first stroke is a thin and a thick stroke, and as you have a doubt, this is a 2 centimeter line, so no need of worries. So the thin stroke goes up, so you're going to go from down to up. Very easy. And here we go, we got the first stroke, which is the thin stroke, and it goes up, and it does not need to be thickened because it's only for the downstroke. You're gonna see now it's again a line, but we're going to give it a double line as we cannot thicken in a pencil. So yeah guys, so there are two types of filling the thick stroke. First one is the slanting, and the second one is the shading. But I always recommend shading for the beginners because they might get wrong about the calligraphy strokes. Then they are putting the slanting lines. So let's just cover it up. And here we go, we got the perfect stroke, and it comes down. So this is the first stroke guys, and it's very easy. So the second stroke is going to be the underturn and the U. So underturn is basically the opposite of the U letter. So let's do it. It's very easy, as you could see here. So we're just going to put, as it goes up, we have going to have a thin stroke, and when it comes down, a thick stroke can appear, and it's now perfect. We are going to give shading, or we are going to fill it up with slanting lines, but as I said before, I recommend shading. Let's get started. So this is an underturn. We are now going to do a letter U. Let's do the U. It's just very easy, so no problems. So when it comes down, this goes up, this comes down. But in the actual U, first thing goes down, and the second thing will go up, down, up. And now we are going to shade. Now we shaded it, so this is the second stroke. The third stroke is going to be a N. It's a very easy stroke, and it's my favorite. This stroke will be useful for the letter, the letter X. Put the shading in it. This is the letter N. Goes up, comes down, and again goes up. The next stroke is going to be O. So let's do the O. So just goes down and comes up. So this is a letter O. Let's do some shading, and we're done with the letter O. And we are done with the letter O stroke. It's very easy to learn, so no probs. So the next stroke is the last and final stroke, and it's the most important stroke of all of these, which is the ascending loop and the descending loop. Ascending loop is an L and descending loop is a J, as you know. So we're just going to put the L around here. Got an L, so it goes up and then it comes down. So letter L is finished. Just gonna shade it out. And don't forget, this is the most important stroke of all. And this L is an ascending loop. It comes down. Next is the last final stroke, which is the descending loop, a J. So let's do the J. And stroke comes here and we shade it. So as you know, we started from here. So when we started from here, it comes down. And when it goes up, and again it goes up. So that's it guys for today's video. And if you liked my video, subscribe, like and share. Bye guys. See you in the next video in the baseline letters. And thanks for watching.